Hello everyone, it's the Lilac Bunny, and today I'll be showing you how to make this candy piece charm out of polymer clay. First, take your blue clay and roll it into a ball. In this video, I'll be using blue clay as an example, but you can use whatever color you want. Next, roll your clay into a coil and flatten it out. Try your best not to make it too thin or too thick. Use your blade to straighten out the edges. And cut out 2 squares of the same size. With each square that you just made, pinch the ends to make a fold. Now, cut the ends off with the blade and attach it to your candy piece. Add your eye pin if you want to make this a charm. Now add the face of your choice. I use micro marbles for the eyes and black clay for the mouth. Now bake according to your instructions, glaze, and you're all done. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you all soon. Bye!